I'm Jim Ring. I'm half owner of the Ring Brothers.
I'm Mike Ring, the other half owner of the Ring Brothers.
The 69 Camaro we have behind us, actually the name of the car is G-code.
G-code is really a language that, you know, our computers talk to our machines with. It's SolidWorks CAM to the mill.
With all of the machining that went into this car, almost every single component, we thought it was appropriate to call this car G-code. You know, that's kind of a testament to what these tools can do for you.
SolidWorks helps me with the process from idea to actual product, because it's not just a 3D program, it's not just a CAM program, it's all one. It's so smooth to make changes.
Our first hinge we ever manufactured was for a 69 Camaro. We decided to make a precision part with the use of SolidWorks and SolidWorks CAM that would allow this hood to go to the same spot every time. This hinge was developed to not only solve a problem that we had with the way they closed, but it also solved the problem I actually wanted to look at them.
SolidWorks CAM's tolerance-based machining makes the process from getting that idea out there, we can be quickly clicking on our dimensions and actually applying where we're going to press a bearing, where a thread point's going to be. So when we open and close that hinge, it's going to be right where it needs to be without binding. It's literally just clicking buttons and we're going on to the next part very quickly. I'm new to machining within the last year and a half. Without knowledge-based machining, bringing 1,000 parts in-house would be nearly impossible.
A lot of the reasons we make our own parts here is because we feel that we can't find the quality and the look we're after. For us, this is a new beginning, and with the help of SolidWorks, I think we're actually building a lot cooler stuff.
It's great to see the Ring Brothers were able to use SolidWorks to support their growth plans. For larger manufacturing setups, typical 2D work style layout does not always allow for a true vision of the work area. Whether it is manned or automated, it is critical to understand the components that are within range of motion and the obstacles that may be in your path. This is useful both for communication and interrogation of your layouts. Our tools let you dive right into your designs. The mate controller is an easy way to manipulate specific mates that control degrees for a design. You can save each mate controller position as its own configuration. Just edit the mate controller feature and choose the positions for which you would like to create configurations. These new configurations are especially beneficial when you want to have your design in different positions in an upper level assembly, or to display your design on a drawing in different positions to illustrate range of motion. Bringing this a step further, the walkthrough function lets you explore the 3D geometry of machines, plants, equipment, or other systems. You can record walkthroughs and play them back in SolidWorks, and you can create video files for record walkthroughs for viewing outside of the SolidWorks application. These are some great tools for showing the exteriors of our designs, but what if I want to dig into my assembly? Very often, technical documentation is the last requirement before receiving payment from your client. What if documentation could be created earlier in the process and updates to the design automatically transfer to the assembly and spare part manuals? With Composer, we can work with SolidWorks or other file formats in a standalone environment, giving you complete freedom on how to manipulate the geometry to get just the view you want. We start by inserting our CAD files, then we simply push and pull the geometry where we want it. We can add arrows, text, or labels referencing existing part metadata. Once we're happy with our view, we can save it to a variety of file formats. After several views are made, we can reuse them to quickly create an animation. We simply drag and drop them, and already I have a nice video that can be saved to an MP4 file. When design changes inevitably occur, a simple click on the update command regenerates all of our content effortlessly. Now all the views in my animation show the new design. This is how SolidWorks Composer is saving time and helping clients get paid earlier. It can be used without any CAD experience, so designers can spend their time designing and technical documentation teams working independently without needing to get views from designers. Finally, for some added realism, we can leverage SolidWorks Visualize to generate photorealistic images for either marketing collateral or to conduct compelling presentations internally or to your clients. We have a long list of courses available from the comfort of your home or office, but lately companies are often looking for shorter coaching sessions related to a specific challenge. Let us know what works best for you, and we will be available to help. We have talked about a long list of solutions here today, and our team is happy to help investigate any of them and determine how effective they may be for your company and your design process. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to getting together with you again soon.